Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you everything you need to know about YouTube handles, research that I've done, and if you stay with me all the way through to the end of this video, I'll share with you my top reasons to be a content creator right here on the platform. You do not want to miss this. Let's get into it. So YouTube is doing it again, rolling out new features, handles this time, and everything that we've been hearing. I want to share with you my experience. Let me know in the comment section if you've got your handle already secured. I'd like to know that. So the first thing we need to know about these YouTube handles is that they represent more than a symbol. They actually represent your identity online. Now there'll be a link in the description. You can click that link and it'll bring you to a website, youtube.com/handle. They'll share with you what a YouTube handle is, how you can expect to use it, even the URLs that they have. Even now they have the channels and the URLs. Some people already have secured their personal URL. We'll talk more about that in a minute. But yes, that's the one thing that you need to know. It's going to represent your identity. So check that out with the link in the description. You can go through that and it'll tell you if you have it'll let you know if you have an existing URL already, but that's one thing that we can represent. Now also put this together. If you use that symbol @ and start putting in your handle, the one that they've already auto assigned, it'll start populating just like that right there. And one of the ways I've learned to use it is using it in your title. It'll populate a page that I'll show you about that. Consider your handle. One of the things about it, they're gonna let you know that you can choose a certain one, but right now they automatically have it where they automatically populate once you start typing it in. And when it comes to our identity, that's so important because I'm pretty sure you've already seen some of those WhatsApps. You've seen where people come in with fake identities. This is one right here. I had put a comment on a channel, one of the channels I watch, Annie. And check this out. It says, WhatsApp, thanks for watching, let's talk now. Whenever you see that WhatsApp, do not fall for that, and never fall for it if you see one from me. You already know it's a fake account. It's gonna help YouTube, and that's another reason that they're putting these things together like a handle. It will keep all those scams down. It will keep all of those fake accounts down. And when you go there and look at it, it says joined 1 week ago and no subscribers. And anybody who know Andy knows that he's been on the platform for a while. But that's just one example of how these YouTube handles are going to be used to have an identity, a secure brand. You're going to have an opportunity to choose a certain handle. And when you think about it, think about that name that's going to be representing your identity. So that's one thing that we need to know about these YouTube handles. We need to get a grip on these handles, is about using it as an identity, using it as a way to know that that's going to represent your brand all over the internet. So the first thing we need to know is that it represents an identity. It represents the ability to stay away from those scams and for your people to know that it's really you. The second thing we need to know about these YouTube handles is that we can just keep it simple. Keep it simple and keep it relevant. This is going to be all across YouTube, Google. It's going to be spread all across. People are going to start to see your channel. People are going to start to see your handle start to become populated all over the internet. So I would just say keep it simple. That's one thing that has helped me. And one of the ideas that I'm using, the same handle that I use on my other social platforms. So for example, Facebook @STEVONJBiz, Twitter @STEVONJBiz. You think about that as yours. Keeping it simple, using something that you've already used on other platforms that's going to be able to keep your brand. You're building a brand online with these handles. The main thing that has helped me is to keep it simple. Now anybody can go online on any internet site and put STEVONJBiz and I'll come up because I've kept that over time. So consider that when you think about your YouTube handle. This is the second thing you need to know, is just to keep it simple. Keep that in mind when it comes to getting this knowledge on our handles, YouTube handles. Keep it simple and keep it relevant. Now, before we go to this next one, just want to take some time and say thank you to all of you, my subscribers, my viewers, coming back in, taking the time to enjoy the channel, the Cash App donations, the comments, all of that really means a lot. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit that subscribe button. And let's get our handles taken care of together. Join the family. So the third thing you need to know about YouTube handles is that if you have over 100 subs, the way it's always been, you automatically have a personalized URL. But now you don't even have to have 100 subscribers. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. It's automatically going to give you a certain link and a certain personalized URL. Now, if you are over 100 subscribers, you can use the URL that you have right now. That's the beauty of it. The ones it says right there, the ones that you already have will still be used. Nobody can have, I used to joke about it. I used to say they don't just give out URLs to just anybody. Well, I guess they do. They do give out URLs to just anybody and everybody. And so now everybody's going to have a personalized URL. You could take that URL and use it for your channel. So the thing about it now, if you over 100 subscribers, it'll automatically populate for you. If you are over 100 subscribers already, you may be already set. That may be already taken care of, just like that. Now, I do have some bonus points. I have some extra tips, and I'm going to tell you about this new thing that's happening online. But first, before I do that, tell you about my brand new upcoming single, God's Time. I'm working on it right now in the studio, working on the video for it and everything. You do not want to miss that. I want to give you a free copy of my brand new single, God's Time. Go to takeittothealtarmusic.com, leave us your email. We're building our email list, reaching out to people just like you. Get you a free copy of it. And while you're doing that, go on over to Spotify, stream my brand new single, Nobody, and go to Amazon and grab you a copy. Take that home with you. Do that. If you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. Thank you. You'll receive an email similar to this right here. Check out on the screen. You'll get an email that says introducing YouTube handles. Once you get that email, you'll click into that and it'll show you. It says, we're writing to let you know that over the coming weeks, YouTube will be introducing handles to make it easier for members of the community to find and connect with each other. Your handle will be unique to your channel and will be how people mention you in comments, community posts, and more. So what you need to do, we're gradually rolling them out. The ability to choose your handle for all channels over the coming weeks. So they're giving us an opportunity to choose it. If you have not yet selected a handle for your channel, YouTube will automatically assign you one, and you can change that in the studio. So look out for that email. You're going to get an email similar to that one. I couldn't do this video without mentioning this. Smaller channels now, you don't have to have over 500 subscribers. Right now, they're giving out community posts to smaller channels, giving us all the opportunity to grow. Keep an eye out for your community tab. Check this out. When you use your handle inside your title, it does something pretty cool. Somebody click on it, they'll get a page like this, and it pops up, shows them different videos that you have. They can slide side to side. Check out your latest videos. Also gives a little bit about what you're all about, optimization on your channel. So I thought that was pretty cool. We are Next Level Mindset. You want to go to the next level. Some of you haven't even decided if you're going to take this thing seriously or not. You may not have decided if you want this to be for you. I want you to check out this video right here, my top 5 reasons to be a content creator. I think that video will be great for you to watch next. So check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.